Hi nail friends, and welcome back to another episode of Mani Tuesday. In today's video, I'll be using some totally dipped powders to do a simple fall inspired mani. I'm not using any tips today. I decided to build my nails using nail forms, so I placed my Cherael bond on my nails to dehydrate my nails. If you don't have any bond, you can also use rubbing alcohol or acetone. They both do the same thing. Now I place my nail forms on my nails. Ensure that it is directly under your natural nails. I have a video where I show a more detailed step by step on how I apply the nail forms and extend my nails using the powders. I'll link to that video as well in the cards, so if you'd like to check that one out. So now, starting with the spiced sage, I begin by building the nail. So I apply base to half of the nail and then I sprinkle the dip powder on my nail, and then I applied base to the whole nail and then sprinkle the dip powder on my nail. You can apply as many layers as you'd like in order to build your nails. These dip powders are really smooth and nice to work with. I've been using them for a while now and I'm not disappointed. Well, let me take that back. The spice sage is a really nice dip powder and it has a nice shimmer to it. However, when the nail was completed, I did not see any shimmer. So that was a bit disappointing, but besides that, the dip powders are really nice to work with. They are finely milled and very smooth and I really like it. And if you would like to purchase from Totally Dipped, you can use my code Cherael15 to get 15% off. The link would be in the description, so check it out. So now I place some activator on the nail to harden the nail so I can remove the nail form to further build the nail. You can continue to build the nail with the nail forms on, but I prefer to remove it and then apply a few layers to continue building the nails. So I'm basically doing the same thing for each nail, so I'll let you guys watch and I'll pop in if there's anything I need to say. So now that all the nail forms are off, I'm further building the nails with a few layers of dip powders. I'll only be showing one nail, and I'm not encapsulating the nails. Encapsulating is not necessary with solid colors anyway. I decided to leave it as is. Now I'm just applying some more activator to harden the nails, and then I began filing. Now this is after filing of the nails. If you'd like to see my filing routine, I'd link it in the cards. Part of me low-key thinks I should have filed a little more. I really don't know. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Do you guys think I filed enough? Because I kinda think I didn't. I should have done a little more. But I'm only thinking that right now because I'm seeing it on the camera. I didn't think that when I was seeing it in real life. So I don't know. Now I apply my gel top coat to my nails and I cure it for 30 seconds. So I'm using these water decals, so I cut out the ones that I wanted to use. Then I removed the clear film, placed them in water for about 5 seconds and removed them and applied them to my nails. Using the large water decal is kind of difficult. It was hard for them to lay flat. It kept bunching up and creating creases. I had to apply water on them so that it could lay flat. It kind of worked, but I could still see some creases. I think I'll stick to using the small decals, because I really didn't like it. Was kind of difficult to do. Now, when I was completed, I placed a layer of gel top coat on the nails and I cured for 30 seconds. When the nails cool down, I apply some cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails, and this is the finished look. So if you like this video, you're gonna want to check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!